Want to set a balance alert for your API usage in DeepSeek? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to do it quickly and easily. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. First, open your browser and go to deepseek.com. Once you're on the home page, head to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the API Platform button. Click on it, and it will open the API Platform in a new tab. Here, you'll find a section showing your API usage, and next to Top Up, you'll see the Balance Alert option. By default, this is disabled. To enable it, click on the Settings button next to it. A pop-up window called Balance Alert Settings will appear. Inside, you'll notice two toggle switches labeled CNY Alert Switch and USD Alert Switch. Simply turn on the switch for the currency you prefer. For example, you can toggle on the USD alert and set your threshold amount, say $20. Once done, click on Save to apply. That's how you set up a balance alert in DeepSeek. Like, subscribe, and share if this helped. See you in the next video.